So I have this worked out example here, and I want to point out a couple of things as you go through it and take a look at it if you were going to actually do it. And hopefully you'll refer back to this if you get stuck in the middle of a problem down there. So this is a cylinder problem. It says, cylinder has a volume of 1,500 and a height of 17.5. What's the radius going to be? All right, so make sure you get the formula written down, all right, and that you plug in the appropriate dimensions and volume and stuff into the right spot. So I picked this one for the example that I wanted to have worked out here for a couple of reasons. Number one, you're looking for something, but it's got the R squared. A lot of times people try to take this squared and like stick it over there. You can't do that. Okay, that doesn't actually happen. So don't move the square. The square has to stay with that radius. That's where it goes. All right. So you divide out the things that are numbers. So you divide out the pi. You divide out the 17.5, and you get this. And I made it red. That whole red thing is going to go into your calculator. Okay. And then when you put that in the calculator, it gives you this decimal, and you have R squared left. Now you've got to solve it like normal. You take a square root and you get 5.2 for your radius. All right. Now it says, what would the radius be? If this said diameter, you would need to double that radius before you rounded it. So you've got to be very, very, very careful with this stuff. These are confusing to deal with if you don't go kind of methodically through it, and take your time. If you try to magically make an answer appear in one step, it doesn't work out really well. If you try to just kind of smash this stuff into the calculator and you don't pay attention to what you're doing, it also doesn't work out very well. The order of operations will get messed up. You won't necessarily realize it. So take your time with these. Make sure you get the stuff in the right place, and then just be careful.